Hello, welcome to Flip Crypto channel. So I'm going to show you one of the candlestick patterns that I use in trading futures that is quite profitable amongst other candlestick patterns that I use. So the candlestick pattern is the one we refer to as the engulfing bar pattern. Okay, just as the name sounds, engulfing entails when a candle that is recently formed completely engulfs the former one. And in the cases, the one that is being formed recently is usually um, the opposite of the other one, in the sense that if a bullish candle forms and then a bearish candle forms that is bigger than the bullish candle, then it indicates a trend reversal and shows that the market is going to favor the bears. But this is usually in a trending market. All right. So in a ranging market like this, it is difficult to make decisions based on that candlestick pattern alone. But if it is a market that you have monitored and for some time it is trending, maybe upwards or downwards, you can use this kind of candlestick pattern to indicate a trend reversal. Now, the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern. An example of it is what I am going to show you. So here we have the bullish candle completely engulfing the bearish candle. And then immediately afterwards, we see that the next candle that forms is also a bullish candle. And from there, a likely trend reversal occurs. And also, it can also happen the other way around, something like this also. So we see here, this is a bearish engulfing where the red candle indicating the strength of the bears completely engulfs the green candle, which represents the bulls. And then because this market had been trending upwards before now, after this event, coupled with a number of other candles that indicate a trend reversal, then the market begins to drop down or to go down. But like I said, you don't trade any indicator or any candlestick pattern alone. So you must trade it alongside with other parameters or other indices that we use in crypto trading. For instance, you are going to look at some indicators that show that there is going to be a trend reversal. So I can decide to add a few indicators to it, maybe just stochastic, right? So most times we see that these stochastic lines has reached an overbought point, all right? So it is above this particular mark or this particular line. So if you look at it carefully, so most times we always look at it that there are chances that it is definitely going to come back into this line and then begin to favor my movement. So if you look at your chart, look at the stochastic um, indicator, and this has moved back into this point. It has moved back into this area, the shaded area, and also an engulfing bar has happened, then obviously the market is going to trend downwards. The same thing happens if it is for a bullish engulfing pattern. All right. If the market is oversold and then it moves back into this area, there are chances that even though this is not like our bullish engulfing bar, but I'm showing you how the stochastic works. So if it moves back into the area, there are chances that it will remain within the area and then it will keep going up. So, but if you combine it with another parameter, say a candlestick pattern, then you can be sure to make a very good trade decision, right? For instance, what we see here, so slightly oversold and then moves back into the shade, and then we see that there is an immediate trend reversal. So this is how you can use the bullish engulfing candlestick pattern and the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern to make a decision on a trade. But like I said, you don't use this single pattern alone. You make sure you combine it with indicators, you combine it with fundamentals, and then you have a good trading decision to make. Till I come your way next time, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share. Then in the comment box, let me know what other thing or what other indicator or candlestick pattern that you want me to talk about, because we always read the comments and then form our next content based on the comments and the demands of our followers. Thank you very much. Till I come your way next time.